Is your team struggling to keep up with the pace of change? Are your sales pitches falling flat? Are your forecasts missing the mark? Without AI, inefficiencies plague every step. Imagine spending hours crafting a pitch, only to fall short. Without generative AI, your sales presentations lack personalization and impact. Stuck in cookie-cutter approaches. Without AI, analyzing customer data is a guessing game, leading to missed targets. It's like navigating without a map. Plus, without AI, adapting to changes is slow and painful. The more you rely on old methods, the further you fall behind. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to precision with AI. Generative AI isn't just a tool, it's a game changer. Boost your productivity, close deals faster, and stay ahead of the competition. Ready to transform your sales strategy? Dive into the world of generative AI and watch your success skyrocket. Don't just sell, excel. Secure your spot now at the game-changing workshop. Let's make the future of sales today.